to. What's the problem? I feel like such a bald head baddie.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Oh, hey, it's MATIC Monday. Welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today we are here with an episode of MATIC Monday. You know what I'm saying, because we are back on and popping with MATIC Monday. So welcome back. You know, this is the look, and so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I've already done one eye, you know what I'm saying. This little little inner liner moment though, for one, I've been doing it a lot lately, but however, these things can be a little tricky to do. Okay, let's start there. Okay, I was about to say, what if I'm not recording? Because I do that. Like, I'll hit I'll turn the camera on and forget to hit start. But let me zoom in so y'all can see some more. So this is the concealer I'm using. Is from the crayon case. This is number 8. I like it because it's very light, so it can help with that pigment, you know what I'm saying. So I already have it on the back of my hand, you know. I feel like such a bald head baddie. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the concealer on the back of my hand and I'm gonna just cut my crease real quick. The only thing, so while I'm cutting my crease, let me explain. Hopefully comes out exactly like the other one. Usually when you do one eye off camera, well, not even off camera, but when you do one eye period, it usually, and then you do the second one, that's when like you don't got no problems. The first one, no, I don't know. I guess I be having to find my dang own rhythm. Because once I do one eye and then I do the other one, oh, like the other one. See, look how fast I just cut my crease. Over here, I just kept having to retrace because I couldn't get right. Because I'm like, is it big enough? Is it even? You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Like, I really just want to be, I really want to go visit my mom. I don't know why, like, that just came over me like that, because that really just almost, like, that's about to make me cry. I might need to take a moment, like, whoa. Yeah, man, like, I want to see my freaking mom. But, like, I don't want her to come here. I want to go there. Like, I just miss home in general. Like, I think I'm starting to get a little homesick, just the comfort of it all. Just the comfort and security of home, you know. Just start missing it. But I really just got a strong like sense and urgency to just want to go home. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do to the crease. I'm gonna take the excess out the lid. Come on, Southern girl. Okay, let's get it together. I'm gonna take the excess out the lid. And this is from my chalk dust powder by Crayon Case. And I'm gonna just take the excess to set this, because I mean, we're going right in with eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, this pink. Yes, ma'am. It's called Too Much, because that's indeed what she is. She is too much. Okay. I'm picking this up on a MAC 242 brush. Honestly, and I'm just gonna pat this in. Did I tell y'all what palette this was? This is this one. It's from Juvia's Place, the Wahala 2. I don't know what the original look like. I probably do. I just wasn't paying no attention. I don't pay attention to names. I pay attention to looks when it comes to makeup only. Okay, she's not a simpleton. I literally just be talking. Like, I just be talking. But Yeah, when I be on websites, I literally just be looking at images, and if it look cute, yep, that's the one I'm going for. This color is so pretty. I was having trouble which one to go with because I knew I wanted to cut my crease and I just wanted to do one solid, just like matte color. And then I was going to do just this eyeliner moment, like literally. But I just didn't know what color to do. But now, y'all, what y'all really need to go see is the little moment I created yesterday for TikTok, okay? Because that makeup look is too cute. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, go check out your girl. Go check out your girl on TikTok. It's Chariti Sinae _. So my Snap and my Instagram are Chariti Sinae, but my Twitter and my TikTok are Chariti Sinae _. I literally I used to create stupid passwords. Now I'm just going to do liner. I'm taking my Tarteist. Ain't it Tarteist? Yes. My Tarteist double-ended liner. So you got a pencil on one end and then the liquid felt tip. So I'm going to go ahead and do this wing. This right here is definitely something I couldn't talk through. Sometimes I could talk through doing my liner and sometimes I can't, but like, it's been so long. I feel like it's been so long since I've been into like wing liner that getting back into it kind of fucks me up. I'm gonna do a little mixture concoction here. Actually, no, I'm not. Okay, so I'm done. The excess I'm gonna just put under these eyes, honey. I mean, that's really all I'm gonna do with the excess just to get it off my hand. I mean, the majority of it done dried now anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna take my corrector, you know what I'm saying, because I want some correcting and just quickly blend it out. You know, ain't no real method to the madness as long as I get the job done. This is the number 3 brush from NYX, and just like that. All right, taking my Juvia's Place. What is this? This is the number 12 concealer. Put it in the places that I want to brighten, and gonna do the same thing, just like so, like that right now. What are they doing? They going to the balloon. It's the summertime, child. People is out. It's the summertime. It's Friday. People are out and about. You know what I'm saying? What's the purpose? I have no idea what was the purpose of that. Really though. Nah. I'm gonna just give my concealer some time to dry, because this Juvia's Place, I love how it blends out if I let it sit for a while. Alright, taking my Morphe E8 brush, and that's what I'm gonna just blend it out with. Whatever brush you want to use, because that's your business. I love Tabitha Brown, literally. I mean, but I feel like everyone who knows her, like on her platforms, like who follows her on her platforms, I feel like people naturally love her. I wanted to talk to y'all about like what to expect from me and my content now. So I will be uploading now every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Mondays are going to be MATIC Mondays. On Wednesdays, there will be some type of beauty related video, whether it's skincare, body care, hair care, or like a natural makeup look, because it's going to be like a chill beauty day, not like glam. Like that's what MATIC Monday is going to be for, where I'm doing like a full face and we'll be doing like eye makeup and really getting into it and letting the creative juices flow. On Wednesdays, it's going to be more of like a natural beauty day, like I have my skincare routine coming, and I have a pamper routine coming, like, you know, things along those lines. And then on Fridays, it's going to be more so of lifestyle. You'll get to, like, just to give you more of who I am outside of beauty, but still not too much. You know what I'm saying? Because she's a A secretive girl. Like, it won't be so much of like a vlog or anything, but it will be like lifestyle related, and that's the only thing I could really tell y'all as far as that. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that, just to know what to expect from me on my channel from here on out. Now that I'm back, that's how I will be doing things, because that's going to work for me, and something that I will be able to stay consistent with. That was a really important thing for me, finding and making a plan, creating a routine that I can be consistent with, and I know I could be disciplined, because always doing makeup videos is boring for me, and it's not something I want to do just because I don't feel like it. I don't be feeling like doing my makeup all the time, like at all, really. I do not be feeling like doing my makeup all the time. Like, outside of videos, I don't even do my makeup like that unless I'm going somewhere like to work. First, I'm gonna go in with the excess out of my chalk dust lid. So what y'all got planned for the 4th? What did y'all do for the 4th? Because I'm making this video before the 4th, but the 4th is on a Sunday. I'm not really gonna be celebrating the 4th, but I will be going to visit my dad and my stepmom and my brothers. I don't know if that's their way of celebrating, but I won't. How though? I will be eating the food, but that's not me celebrating. Alright, going to take, dang, I gotta clean my brushes when I get back. I'm not about to be, because I leave tomorrow. And it's a lifestyle video, like I said. So this one is, if you have not checked it out already, after you watch this one, go check it out. It will be at the end screen, like I do now with all my videos. I put the most recent one at the end, on the end screen. I did a 24 hours in my house challenge. I saw Emma Chamberlain do it. I am subscribed to Emma Chamberlain. She is so entertaining, and literally she don't even be doing nothing in her vlogs. Like, she just has so much personality that it makes you watch. She could keep your attention, which is amazing. Yeah, she did a 24 hours staying at home challenge, and that's what I did. So it's like a vlog style video, and I just show y'all what I'm doing throughout the day. So if you're interested, definitely at the end of this video, just just tap right on the link, you know. Because only doing makeup, I be talking myself out of it. I be like, no, because you know, you need to give your skin some time to breathe. The skin don't breathe all week, okay? Did I tell y'all what I was doing? This is my Studio Fix powder. NC 47. Yes, ma'am. NC 47. Going in with my NYX No Filter powder. And then this is a Sephora brush. It's the number 55. I just have so many brushes that I be forgetting about them. And I never realize which ones I have until I let my favorite at the time get too dirty, and then I gotta go and find a new favorite. And then I'm like, oh dang, this was actually one of my favorites. I forgot I had it. Like, that's how it be. Before I do bronzer and all of that jazz, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC 43. I'm taking this powder right up under my under eye. This is something I do now. After I sweep away my loose powder, I'll go in with this powder as just this extra flawlessness and airbrushed effect that it gets me every time, you know. So I'm about to eat, so I'm gonna take my Dragon Beauty Transformation powder, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna just get right up under that under eye I'm gonna go in and brighten real quick, you know what I'm saying? Learn to do this. I started doing this before, what you call it? Bronzer, because doing it after, I just have to go in and like blend it back out anyway. And I'm like, why haven't you been doing it before? Like, are you goofy? So I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Bakery. I'm just gonna bronze now. This is my Morphe M437 brush. This is such a good brush. It just sheds a lot, like a ton. It sheds so much. Gotta bring color back to that forehead, honey, because it be struggling once it get that concealer on it. This one right here, it's just messing with my spirit. It's really, oh my goodness, it's messing with my spirit. But I'm not fixing it. I'm not. Okay. Ooh, this is my NYX, what is this, a 24 brush? I'm like, because I won't look. 20, yeah, it's a 24 brush, see? I really didn't even need to look. This one is another one of my favorite brushes that when I picked this up like a few weeks ago, because I forgot all about it. So caught up on another brush. I'm acting like this a whole dude so caught up on another brush. Girl, okay, it's a brush. Like, I told you, I just be talking, okay? This blush is Terracotta from Persona Cosmetics. I use this as like a little transition blush. You know, like a transition shade. I don't know if it applies the same, but to me it does. Okay, we make our own rules here. And now I'm going in with this Buried Away blush from Mented. I love this brush. I'm literally going in because I love the pigment. It just complements my skin so well. And I love how it shows up in pictures. It's just so beautiful to me. So, yeah. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, and I'm done. I did go in. Now, let me make sure I do the same for this great day. I did go in, huh? I mean, I said I was going to go in, but, I mean, it's not giving the same instantly. See, I just feel like this one is pigmented on my hair. Yeah, and we're good. We look like, I have no idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue on lashes and I will be right back, okay? Because I'm wearing the same lashes I've been wearing, the ones that don't have a name because I love them that much. I'm sorry, they're my favorite at the moment. So I'll be right back, okay? Now what I'm going to do, take my Morphe M213 brush and I'm going to just go what's the problem? Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Too Much, which is the pink that I used for my lid, and I'm just going to put it on my waterline. Well, not on my waterline, but right under my waterline. Okay, so for lips, I'm just gonna do my ColourPop lip liner in the shade Pitch. Just, you know, give it a quick little outline, you know what I'm saying? And then on top of that, I'm just going to take my lip glow oil from Dior. And it is in the shade Cherry. I love this stuff because it's cherry oil. It has cherry oil in it. And the shade of it is just so pretty. So, yeah, let's get it. Let's go. So, yes, you know what I'm saying? This is the completed look. Yeah, it's really simple. It's still a little bit dramatic because of how detailed the eye is, and the inner corner is just giving, you know what I'm saying? It's giving a different type of vibe, you know? So, yes, I hope y'all enjoyed today's episode of MATIC Monday. I love this look. I can't wait to take pictures. You know the deal. Y'all know I'm going to take pictures. So go and follow me on Instagram at Chariti Sinae so you can go, you know what I'm saying? Show some love. And please be sure to show some love on this video. Yes, comment down below. Please let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.